Landmannalaugar, a remote and otherworldly destination located in the highlands of Iceland, is a true gem for nature enthusiasts, hikers, and those seeking to immerse themselves in Iceland's untamed beauty. Renowned for its stunning landscapes, vibrant rhyolite mountains, geothermal springs, and exceptional hiking trails, Landmannalaugar offers a unique and unforgettable adventure that showcases the raw power of nature. The allure of Landmannalaugar lies in its surreal landscapes and its isolation from the outside world. The colorful rhyolite mountains create a kaleidoscope of hues, ranging from fiery reds to vibrant greens, forming a painterly canvas that appears almost extraterrestrial in nature. The Laugaround lava field, shaped by ancient volcanic activity, contrasts with the bright colors of the mountains, creating a visual juxtaposition that adds to the area's mystical appeal. Hikers and outdoor enthusiasts flock to Landmannalaugar to explore its diverse trails, which cater to varying levels of experience. The Laugavegur Trail, one of Iceland's most famous hiking routes, starts or ends in Landmannalaugar, leading through a breathtaking range of landscapes, including steaming geothermal valleys, glacier-fed rivers, snowfields, and volcanic deserts. The challenging but rewarding treks offer the chance to witness the changing scenery, cross rivers, and camp in remote and pristine locations. The area's geothermal activity adds to the unique character of Landmannalaugar. The soothing hot springs, such as the natural pool at the foot of Mount Blöndukur, provide a relaxing respite for hikers and travelers, allowing them to soak in the warmth of the earth while surrounded by dramatic landscapes. Landmannalaugar's isolation and rugged terrain make it a prime spot for stargazing, as the absence of light pollution creates ideal conditions for observing the night sky and the elusive northern lights. Access to Landmannalaugar is primarily through rugged F-roads, often requiring a four-wheel drive vehicle, and it's advisable to check road conditions and travel advisories before embarking on the journey. Landmannalaugar offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with the raw beauty of Iceland's highlands. Whether you're traversing its diverse hiking trails, marveling at the vivid landscapes, soaking in geothermal springs, or simply savoring the tranquility of this remote corner of the world, Landmannalaugar promises an extraordinary and deeply immersive experience that captures the essence of Iceland's untamed wilderness, the magic of its geothermal forces, and the timeless allure of a destination that stands as a testament to the Earth's creative powers and the breathtaking beauty they produce.